It's a little noisy in the background, I apologize. You guys are seeing what it's like on a day-to-day operations here, okay?
And it's a Monday.
And it's a Monday, it's the busiest day of the week, and I'm shooting a video. Probably not the smartest idea. The phones are gonna blow up while I'm doing this, which is good, but...
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Hello everybody, welcome back to our Blessed Performance YouTube channel. We're gonna make a quick little video here because we have our badass rollback here, the baddest rollback in the country. Yes, it's gonna have forged wheels. It's gonna have compounds in the long run. Got a brand new engine. We got done installing it this weekend. We're just finishing up the details. Yeah, like we've had the first run and that's it. Look at that powder coated intercooler right there. Today we're gonna do some cool stuff with this truck. It's most likely getting compounds instead of 175/30. It's got an no-dock port and intake. And it's gonna just tow our show trucks to shows. But we're gonna make it look good when going to a show truck. So right here, we've got some AlphaREX that we're putting in. These are the Nova series, the black Nova series, Nova Pro series. If you didn't know, I know that it's not our normal thing, but we do offer upgrades such as this guy. It's really not rocket science here. These come so easily installed. It's basically one power wire and one ground wire. Other than that, it's plug and play. Yep, this goes to the power right here?
Yeah, it comes with a DRL harness that goes from one end of the light to the other end of the light. And then all you got to do is, we've already hooked it up. You got a power going to your battery. We like to use the negative on the truck because obviously that's what it's designed for. And then you have an add a fuse right here to the number 2. And then all you literally have to do is what Matt's doing right now, hook up the light, hook up the corresponding one to the corresponding one, and that's it.
So it's just like, this is not rocket science here. It only goes into one place. So I didn't need to make some big whole 16-minute video of installing some lights, but we're gonna go ahead and show them to you. I'm gonna take back the phone and Adam's gonna go turn the lights on to show you guys what it looks like. Oh, yeah boy. Woo! Doesn't that look badass? So anyways, for those of you looking for an awesome upgraded headlight for your truck, we have AlphaREXs, and that's badass for
they are, and they are bright. Like, that is lighting that up, and all the lights are on. The garage door is open.
Yeah, this is as bright as it's gonna get. It's gonna make this rollback, bring it up to the 20th century or 21st or 22nd. I don't know what century we're in. That being said, we have AlphaREXs in stock, ready to ship on our website. Hop on over, check them out, okay? These run about $1,000 bucks. They're probably the most expensive one you can get for a $1,200 for a 6.0. That being said, they're definitely worth it. If you're looking for the ultimate lighting upgrade available on the market for your 6-liter Power Stroke, AlphaREXs are where it's at. There is nothing that's going to compete with it for that quality of light. Like, it is, it's bright. I don't need headlights, but if I want to, I'll run them and see even brighter. Okay? It's brighter than the sunlight. Okay. So, anyways. Be sure to check out the rollback coming to a show near you, hopefully soon. We got to get some miles on it, and then we'll be able to tow. And if you need some headlights, I think I've said it 16 times. We're going to say it again: headlights, taillights. We do make. I think AlphaREX does some cab lights, if I recall, some fog lights here and there. It kind of depends on the truck. It's hit or miss, but slowly gaining ground. Okay, but this is a quality brand. Stand behind their warranty, and they look amazing. So, thanks for all the support, guys. It's a little loud in here. I'm going to get off the video so that way we can get back to work. We really appreciate it. Give us a call, 1-800-577-2698 with any questions. PlusPerformance.com, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. We really appreciate what you guys allow us to do, which is build really cool stuff. That's the best way to put it. Have a blessed day.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3.